welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a mini vloggy vlog day. So me and Milo will be making Rice Krispie. And we have Milo right here. Say hey guys.
Hey guys.
Say welcome to my channel.
Wow.
Which ice cream you want?
He's gonna get this one. You're gonna get this one. Look, you're gonna get this one. It's cookie and cream.
That's the one you and Dada eat. You just want it because it's green. Yummy. Milo shark doo 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 doo. Milo shark doo 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 doo. Milo shark doo 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 doo. Milo shark. We get the chocolate, strawberry. Let's just get the regular for now. Milo, you want the small marshmallows or the big marshmallows? The big marshmallows. This is Milo. He's here to help me make the Rice Krispie treats. Milo, say hey guys.
I'm doing
The Rice Krispie treats here. Yeah. Marshmallows, the bowl to mix everything up in, and the pan. So we're going to start first by cutting the butter. A half a stick of butter. Now that the butter is melted, we can start adding our marshmallows. The marshmallows are completely melted. We're going to add our Rice Krispie treats. And you just stir it around. And we're going to add more. Keep stirring it.
hot.
That the Rice Krispies are all mixed together with the marshmallows, we're going to bring it over here and empty it into the pan.